Hey everybody, welcome to Learn Billiards. I'm Eddie Altman, your PBIA instructor. Today we're doing a product review on elephant practice balls. So we're going to go to the table and I'll give a detailed description and explanation on how to use these particular balls. So just so you can see, we have that red ring, and then right in the center, right over here, there's another little red dot. So we're going to be using that red dot to check our accuracy on our hit location on the cue ball. So this is our cue ball, and it's going to be our object ball for this video. So let's get over to the table. All right, so here we are at the table, and these are the elephant practice balls. I'm going to leave a link for the full product and description. You can check out all the specs in the description below. So basically, I mean, it's a decent set. I've been playing with them for quite a while. I actually used to have a set a few years back, and I had moved and wind up misplacing them. So I picked up another set, and I've been playing around with them just to see. What's great about them is you could use them two different ways. Let me bring out another example. If you just want to practice your stroke drill to see how straight you can shoot, you don't need to use the practice balls. Yes, they have a black stripe on there, and it does help because you put the black stripe vertical, and you can see how true your aim is, or I should say your stroke is. And it also will leave a mark. You have that red circle, then the black vertical line, then there's a red dot in the center. So if you chalk up real heavy and you take your shots, afterwards you can see and look on the red dot, or at least see how close you are to the red dot. And that'll give you a great indicator of whether or not you're hitting dead center on the cue ball, which is very important because a lot of times you'll take a shot and you're constantly, you could be practicing and taking that shot over and over again and wondering why you're not making it or why you're not controlling the cue ball the way you want to control it. Well, maybe because you're not hitting the cue ball exactly where you want. So again, having that variation of the black with the red, so when you use chalk, like I said, you'll see the marking on there, which does help. But I have another video up. If you just wanted to use, if you just wanted to train your stroke to see how true you are, just take a striped ball, put it on the dot, and put the stripe vertical, and take your shot, go up and down the table. Again, I already have a video on this particular stroke drill, so you might want to check that out. But again, the set itself comes with these two balls. And this one's basically, but it is split down the center. One side's white, one side's red, obvious. And it's basically like you use the equator line. Line that up with the pocket that you want. Make sure it's true, straight in. This is a great way to teach you your angles on how to cut that ball. So now what I'm doing is, I'm eyeing it up. I'm gonna line up the black stripe, and I want to hit right in between where the red meets the white. That'd be the angle that I need to make contact with my object ball to sink that ball. So go ahead, take your aim. And it's a great way to teach you your cut angles. Again, it helps tremendously. Oh, I grabbed the wrong ball. Sorry about that. Let me grab that other one. So again, the more severe the angle is or the further you are away, let me take a shot from over here, from this side. And it just helps to line up the black stripe on the cue ball to where the red meets the white. I'm going to take the shot, and there you go. I mean, it really will. If you're a beginner and you want to improve the way that you're cutting the balls, I would recommend this product. It's a very good product, and the balls are decent quality. Last set I had for 3 or 4 years, and I had no problems with it. So, you know, the longevity of the product and quality of it, I would definitely say, you know, it's a very good product. And again, it's not going to be for everyone. If you're an intermediate to an advanced player, obviously, you know, you're not going to need these. But if you're just starting out, or if you're an intermediate player and you have a hard problem with cut shots, this would be a great product for you. You know, a great training aid, I should say, to go ahead and help you with those cut angles. Helps as an aiming tool. And obviously you can see right here that here's the actual set itself. So just take your object ball and you want to set that line where the red meets the white to the pocket that you're trying to sink the object ball in. So right there, that would be lined up right into the side pocket. And then place the cue ball anywhere on the table. And obviously what you want to do is try to line up the black stripe on the cue ball. And you want it to make contact just like that. And that's exactly what you want to do. Line those two lines up together. When they make contact, that's going to push. Obviously, it's going to hit your object ball. And if you're accurate on it, it's going to go right in that pocket. So again, it's a pretty good training tool. I'm sure you'll be happy with it. And if you're an intermediate player and you're having problems with cut shots, this would also be a great tool to check out. So again, I'm going to leave a full description below, and there'll be a link if you want to check it out. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave comments below, share, and hit that like button. It helps tremendously. And I'm testing out my new camera on this video, my new lighting setup, so I hope there's an improvement on the video quality as well. And I have a lot more videos to come, so hope to see you back here real soon. Thank you.